If you want to unlink Discord from Whop, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step in just a minute. This is a quick and simple process, and it's useful if you no longer want your Discord account connected to Whop, if you're switching accounts, or if you just want to clean up your connected apps for better security and organization. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open up your account menu and give you access to your user options. From there, you'll want to click the gear icon located directly to the right of your username. That gear icon takes you into your account settings page, where you can manage different parts of your Whop account. Once the settings page opens, look to the left-hand sidebar menu and select Connected Accounts. This section is where Whop lists the external services that are currently linked to your account. Now, you should see Discord in your list of integrations. Find it carefully, then click the trash can icon next to it. That trash can button is what removes the connection. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm it to finalize the unlinking process. After that, Discord will be disconnected from your Whop account. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked Discord from Whop. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you know exactly how to manage your connected accounts whenever you need to. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.